welcome to GCCars. My name is Eric and today we're going to take a highway POV test drive in this 2021 Mazda MX-5 Miata RF. What are we going to do in the highway POV drive? We're going to go for a handling test in just a couple of seconds. Then we're going to test the lane keep assist, and normally we test adaptive cruise control, and this one only has regular cruise control, and there really isn't much to show in these kind of systems. So yeah, it's just going to be a short, little, relaxed drive about this Mazda Miata. Let's give that VW a little bit of room up front. Nobody behind us that we could impede by doing so, so that's fine. Third gear. You just saw the initial understeer that always happens when you hit the throttle coming into a corner in this Miata. And there we go. Didn't push it too hard because with the rear-wheel drive vehicle you want to be a little more careful on that on-ramp. Front-wheel drive just understeers, which is fine because you can easily correct it. But if you happen to slide, you don't really have much room there, so always want to keep it safe, right? Anyhow, now on the highway, I think that's already our lane keep assist. There you go. It's not an active one, it's just a warning. So if I were to just cross over to the right again, it'll beep at us. We can obviously configure how it beeps, how loud it beeps, if it rumbles or beeps, and when it beeps, all the good stuff. So yeah, I just really don't like these systems. If they're not active, actually, like, as long as they're not lane centering assists, I don't want them. We can turn them off just here, and there we go. And now it's just a regular POV drive. Just before we continue with that, I just want to make sure that you guys are aware that I have a full-on review about this 2021 Mazda Miata RF. Just in the top right-hand corner, we talk about the interior, the exterior, and of course we're going to drive this in a spirited way to see how well it handles and how much fun it is. So if you're interested in more about this Miata, just top right-hand corner. So we just go for a bit of an overtake here. It is nice and quiet with the hard top. I also have two more other POV drives, one at night where we test the high beams, the automatic high beams, and another POV drive where we just start driving through the city so you can see a little bit more action with the manual transmission we have in this one here. There we go. And also, yeah, you probably already saw this. Like, if you're somebody who watches my videos regularly, you probably noticed, wait a second, the video looks a little different. And yeah, so like I said, with this Miata, this is the first one I'm doing with my new GoPro Hero 10. And I wanted to try this Super View again. So this is a way wider field of view. And I just want to know how that works out for you, because I used to do Super View, but that was on my Hero 5 and it was only 2.7K instead of 4K. And I wasn't really quite happy with the quality, but I wanted to give it another shot because now it's in 4K. And yeah, so just let me know if you like this, if you like the perspective and the field of view, or if you would like to go back to the little bit more narrow field of view that we've had previously. Kind of sandwiched me here. I tried to, he was slow, so I wanted to overtake him, but then he sped up so much that I would have to overtake the guys on the left too, so kind of was in that weird spot. And if you're wondering why I'm quiet, that's because in these POV drives I not only want to give you the chance to see how it is to drive out of the first person, but to also hear how it is to drive this Miata out of the first person, so that's why I stayed quiet there for a few seconds. Alright. Little traffic jam. That's unusual. And it was nothing. We'll see. I'm gonna end the video here in probably a minute or so anyway. Just because I don't think standing in a traffic jam is that interesting on video. Yeah, I think we'll end it here. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Like I said, please let me know if you like the Super View mode, or if you want to go back to the regular mode. Speaking of Mustang GT convertible over there, we tested one pretty similar to that one just last week. So if you like Mustangs, got that too. Nope, wrong gear. And yeah, no, thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked it. On your screen you can see the full review right now, as well as a playlist that has all my reviews in there, because we upload reviews every Friday at 11 AM Eastern time. So if you like cars, it's a pretty cool channel to follow, I'm guessing. I'm just gonna say that like that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.